Which of the following options represent the variation of photoelectric current with property of light shown on the x-axis? So option A gives the photoelectric current with intensity of light. So here it's the graph signifies that when the intensity of light increases, the current also increases. So this is the property of the photoelectric effect, that is option A is correct, that if the intensity of light increases, that is the number of photons per unit time increases, the number of electrons will also be emitted, will also be increases. So photoelectric current then also increases. So option A is correct. Now option B, so intensity of light increases but the current remains same. So this is wrong. So option B is not correct. Now for option C, for frequency of light with photoelectric current. Now the frequency, photoelectric current does not depend on the frequency. So frequency, if the frequency is below the threshold frequency, then there will be no photoelectric effect, and if the frequency of light is above the threshold frequency, then the photoelectric effect will happen. But the current does not depend directly on the frequency of light. So option C is wrong, and option D, that is frequency of light with photoelectric current, this is also wrong. So only option A is correct. So A only, that is option 1 is correct. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.